Hello, this is speech number 6, and the topic of the speech is Inside a Cartoon's World. What is a cartoon? Many of us love cartoons. The fact is that cartoon has been around for long times. There are all kinds of cartoons: comics books, graphic novels, webcomics, animations, and so on. There is something for everyone. No matter the form they have, cartoons have listed all kinds of emotions, from the views, happiness, sadness, and grief, and they can be transmitted ideas in an instant. Cartoons are universal. This is why they have survived so long as an art form. Let's look at what a cartoon is. It starts with an idea. The idea can be verbal, written in words, or it can be visual. A visual idea is simply a picture, or drawing. These ideas come from a variety of places. The cartoonist might find the idea from observing life, for example, reading a newspaper, surfing online, and it can come from someone said or single words on TV. Cartoons are like sponges. They soak up people, places, and behavior. Sometimes they may be hidden in a little black book that they carry around with them. Sometimes it is sucked up into a cartoon's brain. Not only that the cartoons have to be aware of what is seeing visually, but has to listen to herself think. In other words, take the incoming information and select it, and then use it for a cartoon. Now you have an idea, it's time to shape it. A cartoon is like a stage play. The cartoon is the playwright, the director, the stage designer. The cartoon has characters, a saggy dialogue. The cartoons must be dressed with idea, speak in a way that it comes in force of idea. Nothing should be in a cartoon that is not absolutely necessary for the advance of an idea. The image and words have to be done together in a way that they make sense. Some cartoon scratch the idea with the pens, and then the pens are used to create images with a pen. Different kinds of pens are used for cartoons. If you finish cartoon, it can be scanned and adjusted, and then the capture can be added on the computer by the Photoshop. It is almost like dance of words. Ideas and images work together in order to make cartoon a successful work of art. Thank you.